nakasalubong namin si attorney and Hi mga friends, it's Fancy. Welcome to my finals week vlog. Today is Wednesday and it's our first day. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to school. As you guys can tell, I am done getting ready and I did a quick get ready with me video on my TikTok. So check it out if you want. By the way guys, I have a mic now kasi alam niyo naman kung gaano ako ka nasistress every time na nag-vlog ako sa ingay dito. I finally got myself this mic from Boya. So, hanggang next week yung finals namin guys. 19, 20, 21, 24, and 25. Pero yung sa amin is until 24 lang. Unlike sa ibang colleges na hanggang 25 sila. Actually guys, nakadalawang resched na ng finals namin because of the typhoon. Okay, let's go to school na kasi baka malate pa ako sa exam ko. Birthday girl! Elaine! Happy birthday! Hi guys! So, I'm here at Uy and I'm having my late lunch. By the way, day 3 na ng exam namin today and nakatulog ako kanina after ng first exam ko. 7 to 9 yung exam ko kaninang umaga and 2 hours lang yung tulog ko guys. So, pagdating ko sa BH, natulog agad ako kasi super sakit ng ulo ko. By the way guys, nung Wednesday, hindi na ako naka-vlog pagdating sa school kasi lobat pala yung phone ko. So, hindi ko na siya na-charge. Isa lang naman yung exam ko that day. Natapos ko yung exam namin wala pang 1 hour. Tapos paglabas ng room, nakasalubong namin si attorney and tinanong na kami kung kamusta yung exam kasi grabe daw yung smile namin. Sabi namin okay naman and nag-thumbs up siya. So, nag-thumbs up din kami. And then, after nun, pumunta lang ako sa business office para kunin yung exam permit ko. Tapos, umuwi din naman ako agad kasi isa lang yung exam ko that day. And then, yesterday, isa lang din ulit yung exam ko, governance, 5 to 7 p.m. And then today, dalawa yung exam ko, IBT and auditing. So, kanina yung IBT, 7 to 9 a.m. Grabe guys, hindi talaga para sa akin yung 7 a.m. exam. Masasabi ko lang guys, I slayed day 1 and 2 na exam. And pati na rin yung exam ko kanina sa IBT. So, sana mamaya ganun din sa auditing kasi medyo malala to guys. 9 chapters yung coverage ng finals namin. So, ayan, I'm gonna finish my lunch muna. And then, punta ako ng room 10 minutes before kasi di ba nasabi ko naman sa inyo na hindi ako nagpapa-early talaga kasi super ingay sa room namin. So, parang hindi ka makakapag-focus if mag-last minute review ka. So, yeah, I hope you guys can hear me kasi super ingay dito ngayon sa UI building kahit konti lang yung tao. But, yeah, I'm gonna finish my food muna. Good morning guys. Today is the last day of our finals. I have 2 exams this morning and it's currently 6:46. Nasa 3rd floor yung room ko. Ito. Thank you. Ano yung color sheet? Siyempre, ito nga duwang pink. Yay! Thank you! Cute! Thank you na! Ay, abi ko eh. Thank you! Hi guys! I'm back in my hometown and let's do my nighttime skincare routine habang nagchichika ako sa inyo. Okay, so first, tapos na pala ako mag-toner. Ito yung ginamit ko from Lux Organics. Next is serum. Kanina lang kami guys, umuwi ng pinsan ko. By the way, today is Wednesday, November 26. And alam niyo ba guys, ngayon yung release ng PNLE. And hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin yung results. Lumabas na yun sa geologists. And akala namin, yun yung sa mga RNs, hindi pala. So, ayan, nandito ako sa Facebook guys, nakatambay. Okay, so natapos yung finals namin nung Monday. Sorry guys kung hindi ako consistent sa pag-vlog during our finals kasi super busy ko talaga. Friday natapos yung exam ko. 3 yung subjects ko guys nung Monday. And then nung Tuesday, I went to SM para magpa-diode laser sa skin station. And then kanina kami umuwi. So ayun guys, I'm just so happy na tapos na yung first sem namin. And next week or next week, magsa-start na yung enrollment for second sem. I'm so sorry guys if I keep on looking here kasi nag-chat yung pinsan ko. By the way, si ate nasa Iloilo, tapos si Honey nandito. And sabi niya kanina guys, ayaw niya nang may kasama. Gusto niya, siya yung maunang, anong tawag dito? Gusto niya, siya yung maunang makaalam ng results. So, ayun, hinahayaan namin siya doon sa kwarto niya. Ayan, nagmo-moisturizer na ako. This is from Lux Organics. Then, if you've been watching my vlogs, alam niyo na super visible ng scar ko here. And right now, masasabi ko na nag-lighten siya. And by the way, may mga bago akong tubong pimples. Kasi nga, grabe yung puyat ko during finals. I'm just gonna let this dry for a while. And then I'm gonna use this one. It's a pimple corrector. It's either ito yung ginagamit ko or yung tatlo pala guys yung ginagamit ko. This one, yung Acne Mud something ng Lux Organics, and yung pimple patch nila, yung pang night time. So, depende guys kung ano yung kailangan ng pimples ko. But, tonight, ito yung gagamitin ko kasi I have an active pimple right here. Dinadab-dab-dab ko lang. Oh, by the way guys, nakalimutan kong sabihin sa inyo na last week guys, November 19, 2025, it's my 7th year here on YouTube. And grabe, hindi ako makapaniwala guys na 7 years na. Like parang kailan lang. I'm just so happy na until now I'm still here doing what I love. I just wanna say thank you sa inyong lahat, especially to my OGs na hanggang ngayon nanonood pa rin, and to my new viewers. Hi! Welcome to my channel. Gumamit lang ako ng eye cream kasi guys, napansin ko na grabe yung fine lines ko. Like, they're visible na. I'm trying to be consistent. And ang sabi guys, dapat ganyan mo lang. Dab. Huwag mong i-rub. I'm done with my skincare. And until now, wala pa rin yung results. Grabe yung kaba namin guys, ha? I'm gonna update you later once nandito na yung results. By the way guys, I wanna show you something. Tada! Ito na guys, andito na yung layout niya. Kulang na lang yung results. So, congratulations in advance, Honey. Hi guys! So, I'm here at Nutriel kasi papatanggal ko yung warts ko and nilagyan muna nila ako ng anesthesia. This is good for an hour. So, medyo matagal-tagal. Buti na lang I brought my iPad with me para makanood ako ng Stranger Things Season 5 na guys. Episode 1 pa lang ako. Ayan. Si Will. So, I'm gonna watch muna and then babalikan ko kayo later. Hi guys, so I'm here at Meraki and I'm waiting for Hayden because we're gonna have lunch together. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina doon sa derma ko kasi nag-transfer na ako sa procedure sa procedure room. And then, tinakpan na nila yung mata ko. Kaya, ayun, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Siguro guys, mga 30 minutes lang yung procedure. And yung nakapifeel ko after, super init ng leeg ko. Tsaka medyo mahapdi siya kanina na Makate. Pero ngayon, okay naman. Parang super sikip lang ng leeg ko. Kaya, ayan, namumula siya. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for Hayden and I'll update you later once nandito na siya.